Hello everyone, welcome to this channel, and before we get started, let's gather our materials. You will need crystal tiles in rose gold and silver. You're gonna peel them off the mesh and you'll have these stunning crystal pieces ready for your project. I'll be using a 60 centimeters round mirror and another round wooden frame to measure the distance for tiles placement along the mirror's edge. You'll also need adhesive glue for a secure bond, and this is the best glue I'll always recommend. Now you start applying your glue on the mirror and then you glue your crystals down one by one. Make sure to press each tile firmly into the glue so they stick properly. Now that we are done gluing the rose gold mirror tiles, it's time to move on to the silver crystal tiles. I'm going to alternate between a row of rose gold and a row of silver crystal to create a beautiful pattern. I'll continue this process around the mirror, keeping the pattern consistent. Once all the tiles are in place and the design is complete, I'll carefully wipe away any excess glue for a clean, polished finish. Now it's time to create a frame. I'll be using a 60 cm round canvas, which will serve as the base of our mirror. I'll apply adhesive generously to the wooden part, making sure it's evenly spread. Carefully place the finished 60 cm mirror onto the wood, ensuring it is centered and secure. Once the mirror is glued in place, we will let it cure completely.